Hi nail friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing some nail art and I'm so excited. I've been wanting to draw Pikachu on my nail for the longest, and I also review my Young Nails Mission Control gel paints. So let's get right into the video. I apply my Pro-Dip prep to dehydrate my nail, and if you don't have any of that you can use acetone or rubbing alcohol. Now I apply 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nail. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. So I'm using my Pro-Dip white dip powder and I mixed it with some diamond dust glitter. I did a few layers of that, but I only showed 3 layers. Then I encapsulated with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. I applied activator, waited for the nail to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. So this is the Young Nails Mission Control Precision Gel Paints. You can create detailed fine line art, super shine, rich pigment, intense color, easy to use, and so on. All of which is true. I just have to practice a little more because my line work is trash. I'm always shaking. So there are 12 gel paint pots and a fine detail brush. So I opened the red gel paint. It is called Power Up, just to show how properly sealed they were. I had a hard time opening it, which is a good thing and a bad thing because it was annoying and messy. So I'll just be showing the different colors in the kit. So we have Mega Jam, a hot pink gel paint, Fizz, a white gel paint, Overdrive, a black, Taser, a bright orange, Molten, a bright coral, Sonic, an aqua blue, Orbit. On the website it says a bright blue, but I'm seeing purple, so I don't know. Giant, a green gel paint, Clutch, a brown gel paint, Clash, a lime green, and Solar, a yellow. I didn't open all of the gel paints, only the ones I'll be using today, and the colors that I'll be using today are yellow of course, black, red, brown, pink, and white. Okay, so this is the design I'll be drawing. Pokemon was one of my favorite cartoons and Pikachu was my favorite Pokemon. I've always wanted to draw him and this was the best opportunity to do so. I think it came out good. I just need to work on my lines. It needs to be thinner and neater. So I'll be doing my outline, and the brush is really nice and fine and it's doing its job. So I just do that outline and try my best to stop shaking. Then I cure it for 30 seconds. So I'll let you guys watch what I'm doing and I'll be back shortly. I made a mistake, so I'm using a lint-free cloth with rubbing alcohol. Now moving on to the face, I did the eyes with a dotting tool. And then I attempted the mouth Then a little dot for the nose, and I cured for 30 seconds. The mouth was a bit difficult to get because it's so small, but luckily I got it. Now I do the cheeks as well. I was just comparing my McCart #1 detail brush and the Young Nail brush. I wanted to see them together, and maybe you all wanted to see them together too. I was just curious. Now I'm just coloring the nail with the yellow gel paint. I started with my McCart #3 detail brush because it was bigger, but then I remembered I had another brush I could use because the McCart brush left the nail a little streaky, so I didn't show myself painting the whole Pikachu. I did most of that off camera, and then I cured for 30 seconds. I did color over the eyes, mouth and nose, but luckily I could still see it under the yellow paint, so I just traced over it again. And then I did another layer, and this is the brush I used. It got the job done a little better than the McCart #3 detail brush. This design was a little tedious to do, but I loved it. And now onto the cheeks, I used the red gel paint and cured for 30 seconds. Then I traced over anywhere on the nail that needed it and cured for 30 seconds. Even though I could see the mouth, tracing over it was so hard to do. I think I redid the mouth about 5 times. Then I placed 2 white dots for the eyes. Now using my brown and yellow gel paint, I mixed it together. I actually mixed too much brown the first time. You have to get a good balance of the two colors. Then I painted the tail, under the arm, on the leg, etc. and that would give it the shadow that you see in the picture. Then I cured for 30 seconds. I mixed some red and black for the top of the mouth, then red and pink for the middle and pink for the bottom of the mouth. Then I cured for 30 seconds. When I was completed, I applied some matte top coat because it looked really nice matte. I also did it shiny for y'all to see as well, so let me know what y'all prefer in the comments below. The matte looked really nice in my opinion. And if you've reached this far, thanks for watching guys. Let me know what you think about the design. I really liked using these gel paints. I just need to practice a little more on my lines, but I can see myself doing a lot of designs with this. Let me know any designs y'all would like to see me attempt. Just remember, I'm still a beginner, so 3/4 of them would not come out good. So see you in my next one. Bye guys.